Hi, Dr. Stephen Davis at Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery. Well, I'm going to take the plunge and do some PRP to inject into my scalp to see some really great hair growth. We're going to have my unbelievable team of players here do this for me. We're going to do a step-by-step process where you actually see the blood being spun down and then watching it get re-injected into my head. So stay tuned and keep watching. We're getting it ready so that we can spin it down and get that great PRP stuff. Angel is an angel, I can tell you that right now, and she's doing a fabulous job. Pretty much that's about it right now. We'll be back in touch with you in a few minutes. Hi, Dr. Stephen Davis, Davis Cosmetic Plastic Surgery. Well, I just had my first PRP injections into my scalp. I guess you can see my hair's a little crazy, but we're gonna see what's gonna happen. It feels fine. I feel great. I'm going back to actually see some more patients. So stay tuned to watch the growth.